Good morning, everyone. This is Urhobo Bible Reading platform. Today I'm reading Matthew chapter 10, verse 34 to 39 in Urhobo language. I'll be reading Matthew, Uyoyi Roye Iwe, Owo Roye, Ogbagbeni, Rite, Ogbagbirin, Owo Ogbagbeni, Weroroni, Miripi, Ufoma, Piyo, Akpo, Meve, Ufoma, Re, Eke Vovo, Oloko, Owo Ogbagbeyori, Berere, Ripi, Oherie, Piyo, Ure, Re, Ose, Ve, Omote, Ve, Oni, Roye, Kugbe, Aye, Ve, Oni, Uromi, Roye, Owo Ogbagbesa, Uwewi, Re, Okwo, Onye, Obigre, Roye, Eva, Owo Ogbagbegre, Okwo, Ro, Wono Ose, Eye, Oni, Nome, Yufo, Owe, Oro, Wono, Omoshari, Eye, Omote, Roye, Nome, Yoji, Fo, Ve, Owo Ogbagberin, Okwo, Ro, Remu, Agbagba, Roye, Rode, Nene, Uwe, Ye, Okwo Yina, Sefo, Ve, Owo Ogbagbirin, Okwo, Rogwono, Aro, Roye, Kokofia, Oro, Reku, Aro, Roye, Fia, Fikime, Kosiwo, Ro, Wekobiro.